something that none of you know about me. I have a lot of sex.